Hi, beautiful students. A very quick tutorial about the bird of paradise. I've been teaching this move a lot, so I want to go over a couple things with you. Remember, there's a full in-depth tutorial and an off the pole flexibility and strength sequence for this move in the pole library, so make sure to watch those if you really want to crush this move. Here we go. We have an invert. Outside leg hooks. Pull up, make your body parallel to the floor. Top hand reaches above your head in a cup grip. Both hands now pull to wrap your body around the pole. Attach your ear to the pole. Straight leg circles around like a jade. You grab your heel, pull your knee back towards your shoulder. Then keep the quad and hip flexor engagement in this leg as you extend. Now you can do the hand grab. Extend this bottom arm first, then attach the fingers. Pull the pole to your elbow. Here you're straightening your straight leg as much as you can. Squeeze your quad, untuck your tailbone. This is the foundation. Need a strong foundation to continue to move? We will cover the rest of the move in the in-depth tutorial. All right, let me know if this helps. I'll see you guys soon.